And then Steve said, "I'm not nervous."
I was lying. I was nervous. Very nervous.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Read to Talk. I'm Luma.
And I'm Steve, student. Hungry student.
Today we are talking about restaurants, how to order food, how to ask for things, and how to pay. But we will do it like a real podcast. Simple English, slow, natural, a little funny.
And very useful, because I love food.
Same. Okay, Steve, first question. Are restaurants scary in English?
Yes, the menu is big. The server talks fast. And my brain stops.
That's normal. But here is the secret. A restaurant is not one big conversation. It's many small conversations.
Small conversations. I like that. That feels easier.
Exactly. Think of it like 5 small steps, step by step.
Like a journey.
Yes, a delicious journey.
I'm ready.
Great, let's do this. We will go to an imaginary restaurant.
Imaginary food still makes me hungry.
Okay, Steve, close your eyes.
Why?
Just do it. Imagine a cute street, sunny afternoon, people talking, you smell food.
I smell fries.
Of course you do. Now open your eyes.
Okay.
We are in front of the Green Tree Cafe. Ready?
Ready, but nervous.
It's okay. I'm with you. You open the door.
After you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Hello. Welcome to the Green Tree Cafe. How many today?
How many people?
Yes, how many people?
Okay. A table for 2, please.
Perfect. Do you have a reservation?
A reservation, like a plan before?
Yes, you call before you go. But today...
No, we don't. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. Follow me, please.
Follow me, please. Easy.
Step 1 is done. Now we sit.
Can we sit at the window?
Nice. Sure, this way.
Wow, I sound professional.
You do. Hi, here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes. I always start easy.
Water?
Yes. Just water for now, please.
Great. And for you?
For you, Luma?
I'll have an iced tea, please.
I'll have a lemonade, please.
Perfect. Still or sparkling water?
Still is normal water, right?
Yes, still is normal. Sparkling has bubbles.
Still, please. No bubbles in my life today.
Great. I'll be right back.
That felt real.
Because it is real. Short, simple, polite.
Luma, this menu is big.
That's okay. When you need time, you can say one lifesaver sentence.
What is it?
We need a few more minutes, please.
Oh, that is a lifesaver.
Yes. Are you ready to order?
We need a few more minutes, please.
Of course. Take your time.
I love that. No pressure.
Now we decide. What do you want?
I see a club sandwich,
Nice.
but it says fries or salad.
What do you want?
Fries. Salad is healthy, but fries are honest.
I want the grilled salmon with vegetables.
You are the healthy one.
Sometimes. Okay, we are ready. Hi again. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. Thank you.
Great. What would you like?
I'll have the club sandwich with fries, please.
Perfect. And for you? I'll have the grilled salmon, please, and steamed vegetables, please.
Wow, very clear.
Would you like an appetizer? The garlic bread is popular.
Garlic bread is always popular.
Yes, please. 1 garlic bread to share. Great. I'll put that order in right away.
We did it. And I didn't say I want.
Exactly. I'll have is soft and polite. Here are your drinks. 1 lemonade, 1 iced tea, and water.
Thank you.
Here is your garlic bread, hot from the oven.
Hot is good. Hot means fresh.
Your main dishes will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Great.
Okay, Steve. During the meal, you may need things like water.
Or ketchup.
Always ketchup.
Always.
The simple way to get attention is, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Soft, not angry.
Soft excuse me. Got it.
How is everything?
Everything is delicious. But can I have some ketchup, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Wow, that was easy.
Yes. Now, sometimes there is a small problem.
Like, my fries are sad?
Yes, like that. Not a big drama, just a polite sentence.
Okay, my fries are a bit soft.
Good. You can say, "The fries are a bit soft. Can I get new ones, please?"
That sounds possible.
Let's do it. How's everything tasting?
Wonderful, thank you. Excuse me, the fries are a bit soft. Can I get new ones, please?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Of course. I'll bring fresh fries right out.
See? I didn't die.
You did great.
I was polite. And she was nice.
That's how it should be.
Okay, I'm full.
Me too. Now the last step, paying. Can I get you anything else? Dessert or coffee?
No, thank you. Just a check, please.
Perfect. Check means the bill.
Yes, the paper with the price.
Together or separate?
Together, please.
Great. I'll bring that right over.
Luma, you know what?
What?
I will pay today.
Really?
Yes, it's my thank you for the English help.
That's sweet. Here is your check, whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, let's pay.
All set. Here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
And scene.
We are back in the studio.
So, Steve, how do you feel now?
Better. It's not one big thing. It's small steps.
Yes. Table, drinks, order, requests, pay.
And one magic word.
Which one?
Excuse me.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English. You need simple tools.
Like building blocks.
Yes, like Lego.
I like that. Small pieces, big result.
Now, question for you listening. What is your favorite food at a restaurant?
Mine is a cheeseburger with crispy fries.
I love pasta or salmon. Tell us in the comments. My favorite food is...
And if this episode was easy to understand, subscribe to Read to Talk.
New simple episodes every week.
Bye!
Bye. See you next time.